Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get custom LED lamp notifications on Motorola Moto X40. To do this, you will need to open your Google Play Store. Now we need to find an app called Notify Buddy, install it. When it's ready, you can open the app, move to the next step and grant 3 different permissions. Last is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled and proceed. Now we can start using this app, and there's 4 different tabs: User, System, Active and Settings. In User you can enable any apps and allow them for custom LED lamp notifications. In System you can find all system bound apps. In Active there's all apps that we've just activated. And in the settings we can customize the LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on the screen or color. Now click on the test button to see the LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.